Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making nacho taco dip. Now I know y'all never heard of that before because I just made it up. But yeah, I just want to put a little, my spin on this, y'all. So yeah, here is the chips I will be using. It's gonna be the white cheddar. It's just I think the organic kind. But you can, if you want to, you can use the regular kind. Now right there is a combination of chicken as well as ground turkey. It's been on the grill and it was grilled, so I had that left over. Yeah, my grandma made that and it was so good. Yeah, I love food on the grill. So yeah, I got that. If you don't have yours grilled, that's quite all right. But to have that grilled taste, you can use a little bit of liquid smoke, about 2 or 3 dashes on the meat. And yeah, you should be good when you cook it. Now you can't see at the top of that, but that's actually vegan mayo. If you want to use regular mayo, you can. On the bottom of that, that's plain yogurt. Now you see that packet, that's ranch, the ranch packet. I'm gonna use a little bit of that. If you read the back instructions, it says only use sour cream. I'm gonna be substituting the yogurt for sour cream, and that's where I'm gonna add in the mayo. You don't have to add mayo, but I'm going to be adding in some of mine. So yeah, that right there is actually refried fried beans. If you want to make your own, you can go ahead, but I already have some. I'm going to also use just a little bit of salsa, some chives to pretty much garnish it and eat it, of course. Okay, so that's all the ingredients. Let's get started. Now, this is so simple. Now, with this bowl, I don't want to hear I say, it's still dirty. That's the same bowl I had with the meat in it. All I did was remove the meat and I ain't wash it out, yeah, because I'm still going to put the meat back in there. So, yeah, you ain't got to do all that. So, yeah, right there is actually the yogurt, about 1.5 cups. And I also added in my mayo, about 3/4 cup of mayo. So now don't add that whole packet of ranch dressing. I'm gonna say about 2 tablespoons should be good, and just go ahead and mix that around. Okay, now after I mix it around, I pretty much just added the meat back in there. And that's with the hamburger meat. Well, not hamburger, turkey meat, ground turkey meat, as well as the chicken. And I'm just going to incorporate that. And you really don't have to season it at all. Because, like I told you, it was already cooked. It was on the grill. It was pretty much made into a hamburger, that grilled turkey, ground turkey, but I broke it down. So yeah, let's go ahead and mix that up, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I sat that to the side, and now I'm pretty much ready to layer it. Now that is my refried beans. Now I need another can opener, yeah, because I know a lot of that refried beans didn't make it out the can, y'all. Like the can opened up very minimal, so I got as much as I could out. So yeah, so I need to get another can opener. But yeah, just go ahead and spread that like that, how I did. So yeah, after you spread it, you want to go ahead and add your Dorito tortilla chips. Now, yes, I know a lot of y'all see it where you just dip it, you make the dip, and then you dip your chips into that. If you want to do that as well, you can. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting my chips inside of the dip, y'all. So yeah, just go ahead and layer it. Okay, so now we're ready to layer it with the cheese. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, layer it with the cheese. And if I didn't show you, I think that was medium cheddar. Now, a lot of people say don't use the bag cheese, and I would prefer you to use the cheese, the block cheese. But yeah, I don't got time to be trying to shred, and yeah, I need another shredder, and yeah. So yeah, this cheese will do, yeah, and it's still good. So yeah, after I put the cheese in there, yeah, now we're ready to add our mix that I pretty much mixed up with the yogurt, the mayo, the ranch packet, and the chicken, as well as the ground meat. So yeah, just go ahead and put that on top as well. Okay, so now we're pretty much going to repeat the step of adding the chips. So yeah, just go ahead and layer the chips. You don't gotta be perfectly or anything, but just go ahead and put you some on there. Now you're pretty much ready for your salsa. So yeah, we're just gonna drip a little bit on there. You don't gotta put too much, like you don't have to spread it like we did the other ones, because I don't want too much on there. I don't want it to overpower anything. So just put you a few drops on there, how I'm doing that, yeah. And that's pretty much after you put them drops on there, you want to cover the top with cheese, and yeah, you pretty much ready to bake. So bake it on 350 for about 20 minutes, and I'll let you see how it looks when I'm done. Hey y'all, get y'all cameras out and take a picture, cause this is how it look. Okay, yeah, let me stop. But yes, yeah, you can't tell me this don't look good. You cannot tell me now. I was pretty much sprinkling on the chives, for a pop of color, green. But when I tell you, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. You could taste, of course, from it being grilled, but you could also taste the nachos. It's like it was a combination of one with the nachos and the grilled taste. So I'm telling y'all, if you can, grill it, use that liquid smoke, y'all. Oh my goodness. You see, y'all, I'm about to give me a plate right now. Oh my goodness, you see all that cheese on that, what you call it? And yeah, it was hot. I was trying not to burn my hand, y'all. And you see that chicken and the, the cream and stuff. Oh my goodness, y'all. When I say this tastes so good, this tastes so good. And of course, if you want to, use extra, Dorito chips, if you don't want yours a little bit soft, then you can go ahead and do so. But, yeah. I did it both ways, but yeah, it was so good, y'all. It was so good. It was so good. So yeah, it was so simple, but yeah, so good. So please go ahead and try this recipe out. Please try this recipe and make sure you, like I said, if you don't grill it, put it on the grill. I'm pretty sure that a lot of y'all are not gonna put it on the grill, but use liquid smoke if you can. When I say it takes it up to the next level, it's like nachos, grilled nachos, nacho cheese or something like that. But yeah, it's good, y'all. Yes, and this is some more I got out the pan, y'all. So if you, like I said, if you want to eat it with extra chips, you can go ahead and do so. I'm just got a few out the pan, a little bit out the pan, and now I'm gonna pretty much add some more chips. And yeah, when I say it was so creamy and so good, man, I already told y'all this before, yeah. Why I'm repeating myself? But yeah, go ahead if you want to add the more chips and everything. It's good, but you really don't have to, because of course the chips in there, but you can't do so. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say today. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.